Okay, class, we're on problem number 6. Copy each of the following, replacing each block with either a greater than or less than sign. So they give us a 4 and they give us a 1. Okay, and they're in that order, so we have to put in either greater than or less than. Now we know that 4 is greater than 1. Now we have 0 and we have 9. And we know that 0 is less than 9. So as we're seeing, it's the first number or integer as it relates to the second one. 7 is greater than negative 7. Okay, and let's see, we have negative 3 and 0. Well, negative 3 is less than 0. And as you can see, the larger number always gets again, the open end of the symbol. Okay. Now we don't say that. Well, we wouldn't say here, for instance, 0 is greater than negative 3. We would be reading this backwards, and in that case, we would have to write it that way. 0 is greater than negative 3. What we're saying is a relationship of negative 3 to 0, which is less than. Okay. So, but that open end of the symbol always goes to the larger number. Okay, and then we can read it. Negative 3 is less than 0. We have 5 and negative 11. So 5 is greater than negative 11. Now, here we have a number. It says, well, 11, it appears to be larger, right? But it's all the way down here on this end. In fact, we don't even have a point here. It's so far off. And positive 5 is all the way over here. So we know that 5 is larger than negative 11. Okay, now what's our next one? Negative 1 and negative 6. Negative 1, negative 6. Well, negative 1 is here. Negative 6 is here. That means negative 1 is larger or greater than. Let's go with negative 12 and 8. And again, 12, appearing to be a larger number, is in fact a smaller number because it's negative. So it would be less than 8. And lastly, we have negative 10 and negative 2. Negative 10, negative 2. We have negative 2 right here. We'll go all the way down here is negative 10, so it's smaller or less than. Okay,